We are back in Las Vegas 2022 after 3 long years. Innovation continues to drive the future of our industry at an accelerated pace. Fast, furious, and constant, we have everything you could possibly imagine right here at NAB. Hi, I'm Ashley with InBroadcast. Joining me is Dan Mile of BirdDog. Hello.
Hi Ashley, great to be here.
Yes, thank you for talking to us. So can you tell me what's new here for you at the show right now?
This year's pretty big for us. After 2 years of not being at the show, we've actually got 12 new products we're announcing. So we're known really for our cameras and our converters here at BirdDog, but we've actually gone a step further than that. On top of releasing some new things for those, we've got some new products that are monitors, as well as some infrastructure equipment, which is our open gear cards. And then we've actually got a whole lot to talk about around cloud platforms as well.
Wow, lots of things. So what's the one that's right behind me here?
Okay, right behind me, probably the most exciting one is our Core range of products. It's called a Core 5 and a Core 7. And they're monitors that can be mounted on top of a camera that allow you to take that video output from your camera and send that not only over the network as NDI, but also beam it directly over the internet to wherever you'd like, whether that's a cloud platform or whether it's to a mobile device with one of our applications on there. We can also then take a video back to that camera and look at it, so for a program return or something like that. Really what we've tried to do is have a studio camera top monitor, but turn that into something that can be used in the field and all over network cables rather than having to have SDI and all that messy stuff around.
Very nice. And so what kind of trends are you noticing and how is BirdDog adapting to those trends in the market?
Well, certainly IP is a trend, and that's actually our company is all built on IP, so when we very first started, the first product was already IP enabled. As we move forward, that's really moving closer and closer to cloud-based production. So for us, all of our products, the entire product range that we've ever sold is now being enabled with cloud inputs and outputs, so we're pretty excited about that as one of our announcements. But I think actually moving from there, having that real integration where people can connect not only their cameras and devices from one place to another, but also interact with them. And that bi-directional side of things is really important. We've got some great stuff that we're showing. One of the other products which is here is our Open Gear card. And that's an infrastructure card that allows you to take anything from your existing SDI architecture and put that straight as an on-ramp into cloud with either Google or Amazon Web Services. And if you've got a cloud deployed switching or production, we can actually be the person or be that piece of equipment that allows cameras in the real world to be able to be put straight into the cloud. So again, pretty exciting how things are going with IP moving into cloud.
Right. Yeah, very nice. And can you tell me a little bit about what we might expect from BirdDog in the near future?
Absolutely. So again, that cloud theme really moves forward. And what we've really tried to show here is all of our products and really where things are going is software-enabled hardware. So instead of it just being a box that you buy and does one thing, you can add more and more features and tools. So as this cloud kind of opportunities are unfolding, there's more and more things that can be turned on these devices. And so adding in things like with our cameras, knowing exactly where that camera is pointing is really important if you wanted to do things like augmented reality, for example, with graphics being overlaid. So we think having people wherever they are in the world, having those devices being accessed anywhere on a cloud platform, but then that true interactivity with everything from people talking and communicating through to graphics being overlaid over the top of 3D moving targets. So,
Okay, so and for people that want to know more about all of these exciting new products, 12, right? Wow. 12, yes. Where can they go? What's your website?
Our website is birddog.tv.
Okay, everyone be sure to check them out. Thank you so much for speaking with us today.
Thanks, Ashley.